Welcome back to 10th class English. Today we shall read a non-detailed text. The name of the story is A Tiger in the House. Before you read, it's a kind of instruction. You are going to read a tiger in the house. What is the name of the story? The name of the story is A Tiger in the House. Could you understand? What do you think the story will be about? Generally, when we come across a tiger, we make some idea. The story might be this, might be that, or might be horrifying, might be terrifying, or might be fun, pleasure. We think so many things whenever we come across the title. So from the title, A Tiger in the House, what do you think the story about? A tiger entered a house, or someone pets a tiger in his house. Pets a tiger. Generally we pet different animals in our house. We pet a cat. We pet a dog, we pet a parrot, we pet a peacock, we pet a deer. Generally we pet different animals, birds in our house. So from the title of the story, do you think that a tiger entered the house, or someone has started petting a tiger in his house, or something else? What do you think? This is the question. We will get the answer after going through the story. Read the story and check your guess about the story. First you guessed what would be the story about. Whether a tiger entered the house, or anyone kept a pet in his house, or anything else. This is the guesswork. We imagine, we think a lot of things whenever we come across a title of a story. Now let's have the text. Could understand? Text part 1. Timothy. It's a name of a tiger. Timothy, the tiger cub. Cub means chua, kid. Timothy is a tiger cub, a small tiger, or you can say a tiger child, or a tiger baby child, baby tiger, maybe baby tiger. Cub means just a baby tiger. So who was Timothy? Timothy was a tiger cub, right? Timothy was a tiger cub. Was discovered by grandfather. By whom? Discovered by whom? By grandfather. Who was discovered? The tiger cub Timothy was discovered by grandfather. Got it? Understand? On a hunting expedition. Hunting expedition means in Oriya शिकार अभियान In those days, remember, in those days when the kings ruled our country, they used to go to forest for hunting animals for fun, pleasure and sports. In those days, now these days there are no kings. We are the ruler of ourselves. So, who discovered the tiger cub? Grandfather discovered the tiger from a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. The name of jungle is Terai. Place is Dehra. Could you understand? What is the name of the place? The name of place is Dehra and the name of the jungle is Terai. Okay. Grandfather was no shikari. Shikari is Oriya, but it's English meaning hunter. Grandfather was not a hunter. You could understand? Got it? Grandfather was not a hunter. That is a shikari. But as he knew the forests of Shivalik hills, grandfather was not a hunter, but Shivalik, the forests of Shivalik hill was well known to him. Grandfather knew this place very well, very intimately. Remember the word we have come across in the prose, a letter to God, intimately. Lencho knew his crop fields intimately. Similarly, grandfather knew this forest intimately, closed very well. That means grandfather was very familiar with the forest. So grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew the forest of the Shivalik hills better than most people, there were other peoples. There were other peoples comparing to them. Grandfather knew the forest very well. Okay. He was requested to accompany the party. As he knew the place very well, the hunting party people requested grandfather to accompany with them, to go with them. It consisted of several very important persons. In the hunting party, there were very important persons. That means the party consisted of different important persons. From Delhi, they were from which place? They were from Delhi. To advise on the land, grandfather was requested to advise on the land, because grandfather was well acquainted, well familiar with the place, so that he could guide them well. That is why grandfather was requested to accompany them, to go with them, to advise on the land and the direction. The beaters, who are the beaters? In a hunting party, there are beaters. Beaters means who beats drums. Drum, you know. They beat drums. Beaters beat drum. Whenever the hunting party comes across a tiger or anything, any animal they will hunt, do you know what they do? They first beat drums. First they surround the animal. Then beat drums on three sides. Only one side is left. Only one side is left out, so that the animal will pass. and on the left outside the hunters guards. When the animal comes, they kill it. So beaters are necessary. If the hunters beat the drum, the animal will try to run away out of fear. So in this way, beaters beat the drums, sounds drums, make a great noise beating the drums. The animals get feared and starts running for life in the way that is left by the drummers. And it becomes easy for the hunters to hunt the animal. So, to advise on the land and the direction the beaters should take once a tiger had been spotted. Could understand? So, this is a hunting story. This is a hunting story. A party from Delhi came to Shivalik Hill, forests of Shivalik Hill to hunt. As grandfather was well familiar with this spot, he was requested to give them company or to go with them or to come with them, so that he could guide them. Once he could guide them the forest path in the time of hunting. Okay. Next, we will have a next paragraph. Right? Till then, bye. Thank you.